Hey everyone, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do some cleaning and some fall decorating. So let's get started. So I began my cleaning in the bedroom since I needed to replace the old comforter that we have with the new one. Wow, look at how fabulous this looks. I just love how this turned out. So most of my cleaning needed to be done in the living room, even though I know it doesn't look dirty, but it needed to be cleaned because it's been a while since I've cleaned it, since that's the area where I'm going to concentrate on when I am going to be decorating. So these are the items that I'm going to be using for decorations for this fall. This is a DIY project that I had put together. These are Dollar Tree pumpkins. These are also Dollar Tree pumpkins, which I gotten these pumpkins a few years ago. And here are some more pumpkins. And then this here is I can't think of what this is. Brain fog. Anyway, it's a DIY that I did on last year. This is a pumpkin I purchased from a secondhand store. This pillowcase here I purchased from Amazon. I usually like to cover the existing pillows that I have. I have some pictures that you see there that says give thanks and grateful that I purchased from Family Dollar. The picture in the back is from Hobby Lobby, and the second pillowcase is from Amazon. And also the little cups you see there, those are from the Dollar Tree I purchased a couple of years ago. For the most part, I keep my decorating at a minimum for all seasons except for Christmas. I do a lot more decorating throughout the house. But with all the other seasons and holidays, this here that you see, it will be up until Thanksgiving, and then I'll take it down for Christmas. Since you're still here, be sure to hit that like button. So my plants are thriving here in this living room. As you can see, a lot of them have grown more leaves, or they have grown longer. So I am very, very happy that a lot of them are continuing to grow. And then, like I said, me being a plant mama for the first time, them still living this long after I think it's been 4 months now. And as you can see, I have some additional little plants. This cactus, or that alley right there, I have to figure out what's going on with that. But this cactus here, and the one that was in a little small one, my daughter had purchased for me for my birthday, and they are still doing well as well. This is one of my other plants here, the Z plant, and it is thriving. It is continuing to just grow and just be lovely. And here is an additional alley plant, which I purchased, I think maybe a month ago. And so it is continuing to grow as well. I haven't watered it yet because it hasn't been time. And this is my very first snake plant. This is Prime, and he is doing well. He sits in that bedroom and just purifies the air for the most part. Now I am just taking out all the bad leaves that I see in the plant, because from time to time my Z plant gets bad leaves, so I'm just taking out the bad leaves. So here you see where it is time for me to probably water this plant. I'm using this moisture mechanism here to see if it's time. You see how I'm moving it all around the plant. I didn't just place it in one spot. I was told that that's the best thing to do when you're trying to see if, in fact, your plants really need water, because they can have moisture other places in the plant. So this is why I'm moving the moisture gadget around to really see if this particular aloe plant needs water. And of course it does. So you will see me in the view where I will be watering this plant. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up because it really helps my channel Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.